Emakhosini Camagu Lesedi Lekganya, umhlambululi ohamba namabutho umme Onika. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sibonge nabaku membership channel. Please join my membership channel. Sibonge kakhulu. Angambi ngedwa akusese yiyo ama testimonies wesikolo sikamoya. Ngihamba nogogo lana. Ninjani gogo?
Everything like gogo.
Hayi siya bari khona sikhona gogo ninjani?
Siyaphila gogo.
Gogo in short nje isikolo sikamoya usingenile uzizwa unjani ungenile kuso and also ufundeni kuso mawuzokhuluma nomuntu ukuthi ngoba abantu babelivela ukuthi manje ubuthakathi ibona kuphela that matters ekufanele kubususe kanti ngifuna ukunderstand kahle ukuthi ufundeni.
Okay, mo sekolong sa moya ke ithutile like to let go. You know, one thing ka sekolo sa moya ba ruta how to, and once you release that, you forgive and let go, like everything it fall into places. Even banthutile ka ho connecta le my ancestors, the right way of communicating with my ancestors. And once you have made peace and letting go, it's easier for your ancestors to be closer to you. That's one thing that I've learned the classes and the journey. It teaches you hore o itshwara jwang holy through the 2 weeks process. There's no alcohol, no sex, just no like ngena puma. You just it's you and abantu bagini, your ancestors. So that's the main thing that peace and forgiveness and letting go. And once you've it's easier for your ancestors to communicate. And baruta hapelika who read the candles. I didn't know how to read a candle, but along the way, ugogo hanze ariruta kadi kerese, automatically you just connect and you know how to, identify so that's the thing as well, gogo.
Sibonge gogo. And when we talk of let go, ingabe khona experience oye wayibona ukuthi kukhona mhlawumbe into bengiyibambele enhlizweni namhlanje engiwaste isikhathi ngayo?
Yebo gogo, honestly speaking, I was a person oyilong hore ke fela pelo nginenhliziyo encane, and then khonali batho ba ilong hore ba nkutlwisitse bohloko from my family, my cousins, and my past relationships already fades, they didn't succeed. Gogo ari you have to let go, you have to make peace. After doing the that was a waste of time all along. Instead they were blocking me instead of the impul progress. So that's what I learned. And now I'm free, honestly speaking. Yeah, go.
No, bua koko. Okay, all right. Naki batla u barking u oketsa ukugcwalisa kule nto ishoyo ukuthi si
now I am free, like kinali peace enwe elong hore
network Lesedi gogo sibonge kakhulu ushaywa i-network kodwa sikuzwile and sibonge nawe uzoyibona ivideo sibonge kakhulu. It's very important to let go. Abantu bahlala ngeyinkinga for many years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. awukhululeki ngaleso sikhathi. Awukhululeki njoba ngisho ngithi yonke into sithumela ngale emsamo. Abantu balala bavuke for 10 years akhuluma ngesitha. Yazi uanti wakho ngimbonile waziphendula inyoka. Hey, abantu baphila bathi baphila indlela yezitha zabo. Emakhosini akuyokhanya, please don't forget to like and subscribe.